Okay, guys. Sorry for what happened right now. I accidentally pressed that thing where if you were just on YouTube and you press the home button. Well, I have a Samsung, but you know there's a home button on there. Press the home button and then you go on camera and you press that, like something like that, and you press that thing, not the arrow thing, but the other thing on it with the two rectangles. And you can just go from there to another app.
Guys, we're walking into Walmart.
I accidentally did that on accident and I went back on YouTube, so yeah, I'm sorry for that, guys. Mom needs to get a basket. So there's some food right here. I'll show you my favorite vegetable.
Marcus is like this.
Avocados.
I know, we're not friends.
Avocados. There's pineapples. Pineapples, guys. And there's guava. There's pineapples. There's more avocados. Guys, Warwood chocolate. Brushy. I don't know what that is. If you guys know what it is, I don't know. Ew, tomatoes. Ooh, onion. Look at all this. Look at all this. Dang.
She's like this.
So, I have...
Like Capri Suns, you mean? Yeah, so that way each one has their own little...
I have budgies at my house. I will be doing vlogs. I was trying to when I was trying to tame them this morning. But obviously couldn't. I couldn't. I would do the thing because I already did everything else. And I would try to like push against their chest, like up, but not too much. They would get on your finger. But they only got on my finger like a little bit. For my green one, which is kiwi, for like a second. And then lemon, my all yellow one, went on there for 1 millisecond. It just go beep beep off. Come on. I said come on. So I'm gonna get melet so they can, I'm gonna put it like right there, right on this finger right here, and I'm gonna put the rest of my fingers like that so they can fly on my finger and eat off of that, because parakeets love millets. And a long time ago, my grandpa, he found a dove because it fell from his tree. It fell from the tree and it couldn't fly, so he kept her in a cage. And then a little bit ago, actually, he fed her millet, and she loved it too. A dove loves millets. So those two, if you have any of those two birds, they love millet. So here's the sodas, the cool soda. Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. Dude, I need to go find some Doritos and get Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. Ooh, eggs and tortillas. Butter, sour cream, cream cheese. I like that on bagels. Ooh, Jello.
You can make those or you can get...
And there's, I don't really like
These
those.
are parfait. Only $2.40. But it's sugar-free.
I like those. We got some Kool-Aid. And, ooh, yogurt. Oh, I never tried that. I want to try that. Sour Patch Kids yogurt. Ooh, look, brownies and cookies. I don't like sugar cookies.
Oh, yeah, that one.
I don't like sugar cookies myself, guys. So I will cut the video, and when I see something good or when I find the millet, I'll uncut it. Okay, guys? Look. Oh my God. Guys. Pizza. There's pizza, guys. Pizza. Oreos. And guess what? Orange juice. Orange juice. Ooh, brownie mix. Ooh, soda water. / sparkling water. That's good. Ding dongs. Dang. Look, SpaghettiOs. Bisquick for pancakes. Oh, hot pockets. Oh, dinamita. There's dinamita. Guys, turbos. Flamas. Ooh, those.
You can get like one of those and then one regular.